Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2.
A sleek and powerful device that's been making waves in the tech world.
Let's jump right in. The Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 is not your average laptop. Boasting a 13.3-inch QLED display and powered by an Intel Core i3 processor.
This Chromebook promises to deliver top-notch performance in a compact package. But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out.
First impressions matter, and the Galaxy Chromebook 2 doesn't disappoint. With its ultra-thin design and mercury gray finish, it's a head-turner for sure. But beauty is more than skin deep. The aluminum base and lid, coupled with a high-quality plastic deck, ensure durability without compromising on style.
Under the hood, the Galaxy Chromebook 2 packs a punch. The 10th Gen Intel Core i3 processor ensures smooth multitasking. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or tackling productivity tasks. And with 8 GB of RAM, lag is a thing of the past. Let's talk about the star of the show, the QLED display. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, colors pop, and images come to life with stunning clarity. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or editing photos, the vibrant display won't disappoint. A long-lasting battery is essential for staying productive on the go, and the Galaxy Chromebook 2 delivers. With an average battery life of 13 hours, you can leave the charger at home and stay dialed in all day long. The Galaxy Chromebook 2 is more than just a pretty face. It comes equipped with a comfortable backlit keyboard, a smooth glass touchpad, and a built-in webcam for video calls. Plus, with Google Assistant at your fingertips, you can stay organized and efficient with just your voice.
So, is the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 worth the investment? With its sleek design, powerful performance, and stunning display, it's a game-changer in the world of Chromebooks.
Whether you're a student, a professional, or a tech enthusiast, this device has something for everyone. And there you have it, our comprehensive review of the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy browsing.